Factors. A number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. This is the factor definition. And some of the important points about the factors are: Note 1. Every number is a factor of itself, and 1 is a factor of every number. And one more, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. And all integers have finite number of factors. Except 0 and 1, every integer has a minimum of two factors, that are 1 and the number itself. This is about the factor.